are like going with your hand here and pulling the sur. So
It's known as backward syncing.
I don't like music that much.
Oh,
yeah,
look at
that's
that. Can you
really-
imagine?
I don't really like
It's
music.
quite a bit.
You have to steer away from controversial.
अगर आपको अपनी एंट्री के लिए कोई गाना चुनना होता तो आप कौन सा चुनते?
मुझे कुछ फनी सोचने का मन कर रहा है पर आ नहीं रहा। तो
I think you can enter on that song. मैं ख्वाबों की शहजादी.
ओ नहीं।
Bandish Bandit Season 2. Hi, this is Pari. You're watching us on Radio Nasha. Hello, everybody.
Hi, Pari.
So excited. Oh my God. 4 साल जो anticipation में निकला है. मेरा पहला सवाल आप लोगों से होगा that as audience, you know, as people who loved the show, we watched it, we loved it, and then we kept on waiting. And वो wait करते करते 4 साल बीत गए. How difficult or interesting was it for each one of you to keep your patience for 4 years?
No, we kept the patience much before even before season 1
Ah.
because they were writing season 1 for 2.5 years.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So, but season 2 as well. I think Bandish Bandits is a show where you need a lot of music.
Ji.
We have about 22 songs. We have about 100 odd IDs. So you need to prepare the music before you start shooting, apart from the script. So I think we are coming too soon.
Fair, so fair. But आप लोगों ने season 2 की shooting कितने time तक की? How long did this season take?
What about six,
Year and a half.
7 to 8.
8 months
Oh,
across
quite
like
हाँ,
a year.
yeah.
हाँ, हाँ, okay.
Yeah.
क्योंकि season 1 को इतना ज़्यादा प्यार मिला था, obviously there was expectation. बहुत ज़्यादा expectation थी. Also the way the season 1 ended, we were like season 2 में अब कुछ धमाल होने वाला है. And visibly so, there is more drama, there is more music. 2020 में आया था, it was also a different lifetime, right? What is it about that phase or season 1 that you have carried with yourself in season 2 as well?
Oh wow.
wow.
So much
Hope
actually.
nothing.
And I said so much actually. No, very honestly, 2020 was a difficult year for the entire world. That's very true. And for us, we actually got lucky towards the end of the year because we had a release, and a release as beautiful as Bandish Bandits. So that feeling of you know, when you hit your lowest and then you rise from there, that feeling is something we carried to season 2 too.
Yeah. Kunal?
No, I think the music, of course, was a big success. But also, I think what really resonated with a lot of people were the characters and the characters there and the world of Indian music and the combination of that with the Indian pop scene. So I think that those things and that whole gharana. The whole thing of a culture that is not well represented enough in popular mainstream entertainment, you know, and I think that that's something that a lot of people around the country really cherished when they watched it, and I think that is something that hopefully with this season and the merger, there's a lot more coming together of pop, rock, and Indian classical in this season, I think, than there was in the last season. And I think people are going to enjoy that. So I think that those few things are the things that we've tried to carry forward into this season. Yeah.
Right. I remember while watching season 1, there was a certain warmth to the season. Also, वो साल इतना ज़्यादा difficult था that having great music really changed things around for us, and that kind of proved the impact of good music. कि म्यूजिक कितना कुछ चेंज कर सकता है और बदल सकता है. एट दिस पॉइंट आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू बिकॉज आप तो ऑफ कोर्स द ब्रिज हो between the Indian classical and the pop. You like the bridge, but each one of you, there are scenes and of course you are singing, right? Classical music पर lip sync करना वो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है और इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, वो बताओ शिवा मैम, आप बताओ, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन यू इन दिस सीजन लाइक यू आर लाइक गोइंग विथ योर हैंड हियर एंड पुलिंग द सुर. So
It's known as backward syncing. I mean, she actually does this, and then the
The
singer
singer matches.
हाँ एकदम करेक्ट है
That's better.
पहले मैं
नहीं,
वो
पर
कर
कितना
देती हूँ फिर बाद में गाना डालते हैं ओके ऐसे इन्होंने किया अब हम गाना डालेंगे भाई बहुत मुश्किल है मतलब these people are तो veterans ये मिस्टर अतुल कुलकर्णी से आप मिले मतलब he is तो भगवान जी ऋत्विक तो खैर another level but for me तो it's very difficult yeah I'm very difficult so normally one doesn't go to work feeling anxious no but I think this is the only time I had to sing that one would come to the set yeah quite all over the place तो वो तो भगवान ने बचा लिया लिटरली क्योंकि और कोई चांस नहीं था मतलब ऊपर से ही बचा हुआ है रियली
हाँ और स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर नॉट लाइक अ ट्रेन्ड और अ प्रोफेशनल सिंगर तब वो कौन से नोट पर आपका जेस्चर क्या होगा यू नो ये सारी न्यूएंसेस होते हैं
that
राइट
you can't pre-think you know I think that you committing to that moment in that time and it will come from that वो आप पहले सोच के अगर करोगे तो फिर तो बहुत shit होने वाला है you know and if you think like that's going to be the gesture at that time it just might not be and
Right.
you can't force something onto because it's finally music no it's going to flow
After having watched so many classical singers right from the childhood, I've always felt that there are different personalities, you know, even as human beings, apart from their singing. So if you see, for example, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, when he was in his 30s, and the way he used to sing, I mean, इतनी जगह भी कम पड़ जाती थी उनको यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ ऐसे gesture होते थे इतना बड़ा gesture था cut to when he was in his 70s and 80s you know बिल्कुल ठहराव से गाते थे बिल्कुल कोई gesture नहीं ज़्यादा कोई so it depends also on उस संगीत जो गा रहा है उसकी personality अंदर से क्या है and I think having said all this I'm sure each one of us thought about the characters as well while we were singing because that needed to come up. As for Digvijay, he is a performer, you know, so that what needs to come out.
right no I have seen so many actors जब music used to be such an essential part of any film or any you know show films उस time ज़्यादा वो नसें दिखती थी मतलब you know आप जब गा रहे हो आपको you have to make sure that वो इतना convincing लगे कि वो आप ही गा रहे हो इस पर कुछ stress होता है ऋत्विक
No, very honestly, you know, the science behind it is that when you're out of breath is when your veins start popping through your skin, right? And the joke for me is that the singers who've sung for us, they don't go out of breath that easily. So they can go on and on and on. And if we try to imitate that, then it takes a lot of work into that thing, you know, to make sure your breath capacity is as much. Because otherwise we'll look like we are dying, but they are still singing. So it is a little bit of a tough thing. But that's one thing that Akshat Parekh, our singing coach, really worked on us with, you know, the muscle movement, the gestures, and definitely the breath work. A lot of the breath work, yes.
इस घराने में ऑफ स्क्रीन कौन ऐसा है जो अपने कैरेक्टर से पोल अपार्ट मतलब कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट है अतुल सर
I think most of us.
राजेश जी बिल्कुल चुप बैठे हैं तब से तो
आप बोलिए
थोड़ा
सर।
उनसे पूछा जाए
मतलब मैं ये बोलूं कि कौन
हाँ कि इस घराने
मेरे
में
ख्याल से सब लोग हैं कोई भी अपने चरित्रों जैसा नहीं है
मैं अच्छा आदमी नहीं हूँ
तो आपका चरित्र कौन सा अच्छा आदमी है
No, but very honestly, like I think all of us have obviously put in a little bit of us into the characters, but they are all so different from what they're playing. But at the same, like Kunal sir's humor is definitely put into Arghya. Ma'am's just the way, the simplicity she brings into her performance is put into the character. Sir's Tehrav is put into the character. Sir's confidence and performance and his presence is put into the character. So they have all put bits of themselves in the character, but none of them are actually like them. None of them are actually like them.
One thing is very different. I don't like music that much.
Oh,
yeah,
look at
that's
that. Can you
really-
imagine?
I
Yeah,
don't
that's-
really like
It's
music.
quite a push.
You have to
I-
steer away from controversial
No, really. And I have tried really hard to like music, but I have realized that I like the silence after the music stops.
Oof, kya baat hai.
क्या
And I'm very serious.
I know you
I'm
said
damn
that
serious
earlier.
about it. I've said that before, but I'm so sorry, but I really don't like music much.
No, but it's amazing. Then what you bring to the character is like आपका कैरेक्टर इतना ज्यादा पैशनेट है अबाउट म्यूजिक, मतलब थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ही पैशनेट है आई थिंक. So you playing this is absolutely amazing. A lot of things are missing this season. बहुत सारे लोग मिसिंग हैं इस सीजन. वो क्या एक चीज है या क्या कौन सा वो नाम है जिसकी कमी आपको सबसे ज्यादा महसूस हुई?
Oh, we will unanimously say one name, I think.
We'll say one name. I think all of
The Rathors miss their Pandit ji. A lot. And yeah, please.
And
also
of course Amit.
Amit very
Amit bhai,
much.
yes.
Very much.
Yeah, even I think even Rituraj.
Rituraj,
Yeah.
yes.
See, that thing is also one of
But Rituraj हमारे साथ दोनों सीजन पे
Yeah,
शूट किया
Rituraj
उन्होंने.
actually shot with us in this season.
Right.
Many people don't know, but we lost our editor
Yeah.
of the
Yeah.
first season.
Of the season
my
one.
God.
Of season 1, Ajay.
So,
A lot of them actually, a lot of them. We miss a lot of them.
but I think Saurabh Nair is doing Amit's character now,
जी,
Devendra's
जी.
character,
जी.
and according to me, it's a brilliant casting for him to continue the same role. And what Anand has done is that he has given complete freedom. He
Yeah.
had more scenes with you guys.
Mm,
So, आप कह सकते हैं क्या किस
नहीं
तरह
नहीं
से-
उन्होंने मतलब क्योंकि किसी के दूसरा जो कैरेक्टर कर चुका हो ऑलरेडी एस्टेब्लिश्ड हो, किसी एक्टर को उसके शूज में जाना बड़ा मतलब चैलेंजिंग होता है. मैं खुद अपने आप को महसूस करके देख सकता हूँ. बट आनंद ने उनको ऐसे कहा कि वो अपना ही इंटरप्रिटेशन दिखाएं. और तो जैसे मेरा एक भाई से कनेक्ट है जो अमित के साथ बना था, वो मैं सौरभ के साथ एक अलग तरह का भाई मिला मुझे. बट भाई मिला.
हाँ,
क्या बात है.
yeah.
Shiva ma'am, we are seeing a different side of you, your character this season. एक लाइन आपने कही थी कि घराने तो मर्दों के होते हैं, and then we see you taking the stage and owning the stage. ये कैरेक्टर आर्क आपके लिए कितना इंटरेस्टिंग था?
काफी. मतलब काम भी ज़्यादा था.
Yeah.
But I'm very glad that Mohini gets to this space
जी.
because the first season we saw a sort of one kind of travel, but I think it's really for me also it's very important. I think as an actor that she traveled to this space where she says that thing and says that thing that says a lot. That says a lot even about the first season. It says a lot about everything. So I'm very glad that she is expressing not just verbally but musically is very it's precious.
इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन है which really like stayed with me कि कलाकार का कर्तव्य उसके सुख और दुख के परे है, which means an artist's duty goes beyond his joy and sorrow. You're all artists here. You've all experienced this. Is there any experience जिसके बारे में आप बात कर सकते हो when there was a lot of sorrow and there was a lot of joy and yet you had to be there, right?
With me, not so much, but I did experience it firsthand with Shiva ma'am. But that's her story to tell. But I've seen this happening. I've really seen this happening, and the
You
kind
can
of
tell this
actors. we were actually shooting for this film called Majama,
जी.
and ma'am was going through a very tough personal loss, and she came in last minute for the scene, and she read the script on the floor, and she performed like she has been doing that scene from past 10 years. And I don't know how she did that. And that day I realized that this is the job, Ritvik. This is what it means कि कलाकार का कर्तव्य सुख और दुख के परे है. This is what it means, and I always look up to her for that. I really look up to her for that.
Wow.
I didn't know you would say that.
Achal sir?
No, I think it is in every profession. If you ask a surgeon, if he wants to perform a surgery and if something has happened in the personal life, I think we all as human beings, we are responsible for some, few other human beings. And when that creeps in your head, then I don't think that you think about yourself. It's in every profession, I think. Otherwise, world would have stopped.
जी. आप कैसे स्विच ऑन ऑफ करते हो सर?
नहीं ऑन ऑफ स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ करना तो मतलब क्या कहना, हमारा जॉब है
जी.
और वो ज़रूरी भी है. बट हाँ ऐसे मौके हुए हैं जब आपके साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता या ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा होता है या ख़राब चल रहा होता है और आप करते हैं. लेकिन हमारा काम भी तो ये है, मतलब हम सुख दुख के परे नहीं है, हमारा काम ही सुख दुख है. और कई बार क्या होता है ना कि हम कुछ बुरा नहीं होता, लेकिन हमको कई बार इमेजिन करना पड़ता है कि बुरा है, तो एज एन एक्टर वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है कि कोई सीन करते वक्त हमें अपने किसी करीबी के बारे में कुछ इस तरह का सोचना पड़ता है.
जी.
That's also true, yeah.
Yeah.
So true.
Shiva ma'am?
I had sort of like Ritvik said,
Yes.
it's happened, of course, in life. I lost my mother, and that was a tough time. But you know, when you come from theatre, no, there's a lot of this. बहुत ज़्यादा एक another level पे ये बात एक गांठ बांध के मानी जाती है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, the show cannot stop, ना? So sometimes I question it now. I do. Because I think मतलब क्या ही चीज़ है यार. Finally, there is life which is beyond anything, you know. So I think this can be up for dialogue in future. I think because हम इतना चीज़ हमने ऐसे ही मान ली है वो. But maybe some questioning is required. I'm talking about theatre largely.
No, you're
But like,
absolutely right.
our line of work, obviously, yeah, I think is like you might come in another kind of zone and you have to perform something which is contrary. And for actors, this is our office, yeah. You know, this is it. This is our office. We carry our office with us. And it's literally about being brutally naked at all points in time. So in other lines of work, you have to bring your skill. Our skill is about being brutally naked, which is very tough. Can be very tough when we are your personal thing is not in concurrence, which many times it's not.
Really, I would, if there's anything you would want to add.
No, I just look at it as a distraction. I just look at it as therapy. Like if you're going through a personal loss or you're going through a tough time, I just look at it like, thank God I'm doing this, because otherwise I'd be too focused on that. So for a lot of people, and I think in many professions, whatever your profession is, if you feel like the job at hand can actually help you rather than be a deterrent, and I think that's the only way to look at it. It's like, listen, this is what I have to do right now. Nothing's going to change that situation, but this is actually going to help me to just take my mind off it, or I mean, I can come back to it. But for me, it's just I don't know whether we succeed very often in how good you are in that moment or bad, but I think, again, I just like to look at it as something that's just taking your mind off it and trying to focus your energy somewhere else.
When you have not so good a director right in front of you, and when you have to perform,
That's
that is more difficult than
Ouch.
personal loss.
Personal loss. एक म्यूजिकल नोट पर एंड करते हैं फाइनली. एक बहुत ही रैंडम क्वेश्चन मैं थ्रो कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको अपनी एंट्री के लिए कोई गाना चुनना होता तो आप कौन सा चुनते? Like if you had an option of like entering with that song every time, what would be your entry song?
मुझे तो आप पूछो ही मत. कन्फेस कर दिया.
हाँ जी.
वो तो गाने नहीं सुनते, वो
हाँ, वो तो गाने नहीं सुनते.
But one
basically-
song, any
One
song.
song, any.
One song.
अबे यार,
कोई भी एक.
कोई भी एक गाना.
कितना टाइम सोच.
अरे दीवानो मुझे
हाय, हाय.
पहचानो.
कौन सा?
I love
अरे
that.
दीवानो
अरे
मुझे
दीवानो मुझे
पहचानो.
पहचानो.
ये तो करेक्ट ही लग रहा है.
डॉन है.
मैं हूँ डॉन.
Dawn.
What you're कौन?
Yes, राजू सर आपका है?
कोई दुखद सा गाना होगा.
मुझे कुछ फनी सोचने का मन कर रहा है पर आ नहीं रहा. तो
I think you can enter on that song. मैं ख्वाबों की शहजादी.
ओ नहीं.
Definitely
not that.
Okay, no.
I would enter with the Queen song, Don't Stop Me Now.
Oh.
Don't stop me now. Having such a good time. Yeah, it's a good song.
Okay, Ritvik, do you have an answer?
I think I should just enter with Sajan Bin playing, because a lot of people identify me with that song.
Yes.
So I guess there would be no confusion in anybody's face कि ये है कौन.
सजन.
बस शिवा मैम के जवाब का इंतजार.
यार मेरे पास है ही नहीं. पर विरह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता
What
है.
an
मेरा
entry
बहुत.
that
I
would
love
be.
that song. Truly, I just love it. So sometimes you luck out and you think, अबे यार, you get.
मुझे ऐसा मिल गया गाना.
Really. Just beautiful.
Yeah. It's wonderful, to see you guys on screen and then to be chatting off screen is again wonderful. हम बहुत ज़्यादा excited हैं for season 2. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत देखा भी है. I can vouch for the fact that, oh my God, this one is going to be a completely different ride. There is so much more music, I think, इस season में. इतना ज़्यादा music है.
13th दिसंबर को हम लोग आ रहे हैं प्राइम वीडियो पर. तो जरूर देखिएगा।
मतलब बिंज वॉच ही कर लो।
प्लीज 14th तक आप सबको मैसेज करके बता दीजिए कि आपको कैसा लगा।
और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि सीजन 1 याद नहीं है, रिकैप है
है,
ऑलरेडी है आपके लिए।
पर आपको अगर पूरा सीजन देखना है तो वो भी आपका।
हाँ वो भी देख सकते हैं।
Thank you so much for
you.
talking to
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
buddy.
Radio Nasha.